Hello, it's your member. Today I'm going to introduce you a very good machine for EPS factory. We have a lot of modes. We have to clean the modes every day, causing trouble cleaning the modes every day. As you can see, EPS factory can have many modes. And after a while, after a couple of months of use, the mode can get dirty. Still like this on the aluminium, because this is from the water, the dirty water from the mud. The mold can get rusted like this. And most important, the steam nozzles will be jammed by polystyrene dust, so you won't get a good steaming after a couple of months. So that's the time we have to clean the mold. And I know most of the EPS factories are struggling of cleaning the mold. It's difficult to clean the steam nozzle. So today we have this machine here, which is called dry ice cleaning machine, which can help you to clean the mold easy and fast. Now we're going to put the ice in, dry ice. Okay, this is the gun. This is gun head. We use a huge pressure to clean the mold. This is all the components coming along with this machine. You have different gun heads to match different applications. This one's got an angle, so it can go into small area. And a big one. So you have small gun head, big gun head. Yeah. We start from this very dirty angle. Let's see how can we clean it. Here is the result. As you can see, this part is after cleaning from this dry ice cleaning. You can see the steam nozzles, which is quite clean now. The steam can go through easily and smoothly. And this is before cleaning. If you can see the holes, the steam nozzles still jammed, very dirty. So this is a comparison between before cleaning and after cleaning. And that is the entire mold we just cleaned just now. And we spent 10 kilo of dry ice to clean this part. And this complete mold consists of 4 parts, which you can see. So we assume to clean one mold, a complete set of mold, it's gonna cost you 40 to 50 kilo dry ice, which is reasonable. Thank you. That's all for today.